Today we are going to discuss one of the new features of Odoo 14, that is a chart snippet. Using a chart snippet, we can organize and represent a set of numerical and qualitative data in a chart form on your website. So let us see how we can add a chart snippet on your website page. So for that we can go to website. Then you already know that there is an option to edit a website page. So click that. Then you can see different options, that is blocks, style options. So using these things we can customize our page. Now let us see how we can add a chart snippet. So under inner content you can see there is an option that is chart. So if we drag this, you can add a chart to our page. So first of all, let us add a text for our page, that is a heading for our page. Then we can drag this chart. You can also add a chart title, that is a title for your chart here. So you can see different things are here and we can customize our chart. So using this style, you can customize, you can make changes for our chart. First of all, you can see columns. You can set the number of columns that we need. So if you select 3, you can see 3 charts here. Let us take it as set as 1. So if you click on this chart, then only these options will appear. Otherwise, it will not be there. Okay. Then you can see background. You can set a background for your, that is combinations and customs other. You can set a background. Okay. You can set a background for your chart. Then you can set the content width. That is the width of the chart. You can see the changes when we click on each option. Then you can set the height of your chart. 50%, 100%. Then there is an option to show a scroll down button. If you move and you can see a scroll down button option here. You can change the color of the scroll down button also. Then under chart, you have an option also to set the background. So let us see what happens. You can see this whole color will change. That is color of this thing. Background of your bars, it will change. Then you can set the type of the chart. There are different types, that is bar vertical, bar horizontal, line, pie chart, then donut, then radar. So you can set according to your purpose, you can set the type of your chart. Then you can set the legend, that is top, left, bottom. So if you change this, you can see this one appears at the left side if you set the left. Then if you select the top, then it appears on the top of the chart. Then you can also add a tooltip. Then you can set the size of each chart. Like if you set, that is you can change the value. Like for the first, if you set 10, okay, you can set 5. You can see the value, according to that value, the size height decreases. Then you can also set dataset color for your chart. Currently it is a blue color. You can change that color. Then you can set the dataset border color. Then border width can be changed. So there are different options to style your chart. Then under options, you can customize, again add some customizations. Okay, you can show header. If you reload only, you can see that. Then layout can be changed. Currently it is a postcard. Then you can change to boxed. Then you can also see many other options to set the font size, background, main buttons, paddings, font size, border width, then other things like inputs, that is also paddings. So these paddings are given for the buttons. You can fill the buttons. Then you can add status colors, then many other settings like website settings. So these are the main things that come under chart snippet. These are the customizations that we can do for the chart snippet. So that's all about chart snippet in Odoo 14.
If you are interested in knowing more about this or looking for any Odoo implementation or customization in your business, drop your request to info@cybrosys.com.